Hey there YouTube. If you have a Frida 3-in-1 humidifier and you filled the water tank and it just blinks 3 times after you turn it on, this video is for you. The solution is to actually just contact the company and get a replacement because it's a defective component. It's not a permanent issue sometimes. You can dry it out and fix it temporarily, but the right way is just contact the company, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So it's simple enough. Go into Google, type in Frida humidifier blinking 3 times blue, or just blinking blue, and you'll see the first link there is the Frida support, and you click on that. And then down at the bottom there'll be a contact us or submit a request. Just click on that and fill out this request form. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you do this, Frida will send you an email with a 5 or 6 digit code that you have to write on your water tank and then record a video of it failing and blinking. And once you do that and send the video to them, they will go ahead and send you out a replacement free. I did not have to return my old unit, and I got my replacement in 4 business days. These do have a lifetime warranty. If you've long since threw away the box like I did, I didn't even remember that it had a lifetime warranty, but sure enough, it did. And here's the email that they sent me. Quick turnaround time. Yeah, so here I just wrote the 5-digit code on there, recorded another video of it broken with a full water tank, and sent it to the support staff. They asked me for my address, and then they sent out a new unit. Okay, so contacting customer service is the right way to fix this, but if you're curious what actually broke, so one of 2 problems. You have a transistor here which is overheating, and so the 3 blinking lights is a safety circuit to make sure it doesn't overheat. That's why it has this huge heat sink attached to it. Or the other problem could be a defective, what are these called? Atomizing transducer is defective. This thing just basically vibrates a lot and makes the mist, in simple terms. So this can be defective, or this circuit, this transistor is overheating. Either way, not the right way to fix it. Don't tear this apart. Just contact customer service. Get another one. Thanks for watching.